to my channel. So we're doing some resin. I already made up some resin. I had it sitting here for about half an hour warming up. I'm using the Sam laminating resin. And I want to do these two coasters, but I want to do one for sure. But first I'm going to take a little bit off this and put it to the side for my colors. So I want to try and make a flower like Julie Cuts does. I'm not sure if I got the correct products, but I'm gonna try. So let's pour this one in and see if we have enough to do this one as well. Because I want to see if it works in a different shape as well. So I'm going to be mixing up some white pigment paste and some light plum pigment paste. And I'm going to use just a little bit, not a lot, because I want it nice and wispy. I think that should be enough for the white. And then for this one, I'm just going to swirl it and take off. I think that should be enough. Okay, let's mix it in. And the white. It's maybe already a little bit too much, so let's add a little bit of resin to this one. It's looking a little bit better. Okay, so I've got two thinner sticks. And I saw Julie add a little bit of a color in the center first. So I've got some alcohol ink. Unfortunately, I only have red and no pink. So let's just try and drop it in here. Okay. Just one drop's enough. Let's just go for it. I think I might be doing a little bit too big of a petals. Let's try and do a little bit smaller. Okay, let's try that. Do the same here. So I'm wiping in between because I don't want the red to contaminate the white. I don't think I need to clean this, so let's try that. Don't know if I'm putting enough, but we'll see. I really hope this works. I've never tried this technique before, so I have no idea if I'm doing it correctly. Let's go for another layer of white. I've got a feeling that either I'm going too deep or I'm not putting enough in there. I think I'm gonna do one more white on this one. I have to hurry because the resin, it was sitting for half an hour and it's starting to set up. I still want the effect to happen, so I still have to heat them up a little bit. Almost done. Okay. Let's heat it up. And let's do a little swirly swirl. Like so. This is definitely moving. I'm not sure if this side is doing what it should. So, fingers crossed that it works. And I'll see you on unmolding tomorrow. Look, you guys, they're actually blooming. How cool is that? Can't wait to unmold them tomorrow. It's unmolding time. I'm really excited. They do look like really cool. So let's do this one first. I know they're not gonna be perfect because I already, yeah, I couldn't wait. I peeked. Yeah, just let's take them out. So this resin always comes out so nicely. So let's turn it around. So yeah, I think I overdid it with the white pigment. So I got a lot of blobs. It's really cool to see from the side though. It's really 3D. But I'm gonna try again with a little bit less of the white pigment. And I'm going to use a different resin. This is really runny, it's really thin. But I love this side. I'm just gonna use this one. So yeah. So let's do the other one. Let's see if this is any better because this has a little bit less white in it. Okay, this is a little better. I like the center of this one. It's really cool. So yeah, the effect I'm going for is more like what's in between. So you can really see where I did too much of the resin. For a first try on making flowers, I'm not mad at them. I'm actually pretty happy. I got the resin to move, so I've got the feathering. I really like how the ink worked in together with the resin. And it's not as red as I thought it would be. Gonna try again. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!